Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to see your Tikcode on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app opens, you have to go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Then tap on the three dots on top right corner. And here you will see the option Tikcode. Now tap on that. This is the QR code so that your friends can follow you on TikTok. Now you can easily save this QR code to your device by tapping on Save QR code on bottom left corner. And then you can share this QR code with your friends so that your friends can follow you on TikTok. And you can also scan others' QR code from here too. Now tap on Scan on the bottom right corner. And your camera will open. Now hold your camera right over your friend's Tikcode. And it will scan and you will follow your friend automatically. And if you have your friend's Tikcode on your phone, then tap on Album on top right corner and select your friend's Tikcode. And that is how you can scan your friend's Tikcode. And that's the way you can see and share your Tikcode with your friends. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.